Hey guys, it's Bill Young again, and as requested, I'm doing a tutorial on how I got cm10 on my LG Optimus L7. There are obviously tutorials on XD8, but I'm the first, as far as I know, tutorial on a video on how to do this. You will need two files to do this, or at least the second one is not really a file, it's one that you can easily download through something called ROM Manager. The first file that you'll need is the most recent cm10 release for this phone. You can get them at get.cm or cm.get or whatever it is. And the second thing you'll need is Clockwork Mod Recovery. You can get that via ROM Manager, which I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, I've installed ROM Manager. You can get it off the Android market for free. In this app, you go in, and you'll have to have root access on your device. As you notice, I'm already doing this from a device that already has cm10 on it. I'm just going to be updating to the latest nightly. But you can completely do this through any operating system that you're running on this phone. What you're going to want to do is go on this button and press Recovery Setup. There will be steps on how to get the recovery. Once you've installed that, you'll probably end up rebooting your device and it will boot into recovery. You can have a choice of getting two different recoveries: touch recovery and non-touch recovery. Touch recovery is involved in the premium version. The premium version costs, I think, $139, and you can also download the nightlies directly from the premium version. I don't have the premium version currently right now, so this is all I have. This is a very easy way to install the right type of recovery. Once you have transferred the file that is necessary to your phone, you can go either reboot your phone from the reboot menu or go into ROM Manager. Wait for that to load and click Reboot into Recovery. Click OK, and it will reboot your phone. Once you allow the super user request, it will reboot your phone into Clockwork Mod. As you can see, I am now inside Clockwork Mod. Now once you're here, what you're going to want to do is wipe your data and factory reset, wipe your cache partition, and also wipe your Delvit cache. Since I am not actually doing a full wipe of storage and an installation directly from the stock OS, all I'm going to do is install the zip from the SD card. I put my zip on my external SD card, which is 16 gigabytes, which you can select here. Once in here, find the zip that you're looking for. The one I'm looking for is cm10-201-30-311 nightly p700.zip. It will vary on the zip that's available at the certain point of time. Press the power button to select it. There'll be an option, and if you definitely want to install it, select yes. This will take a second as it installs the new zip. It may take longer on devices that you've wiped the system on. I'm just going to go over some small problems that you can get after this is done rebooting. Sometimes you may not have your signal. The best way to get around that is to reboot it back into recovery, wipe the Delvit cache, and then reboot it a few times after that. There are very minor issues as of this zip, and most of them have been fixed. One notable issue is that the FM radio does not work. I don't usually listen to the FM radio, so that isn't a very large problem. This process will take between 30 seconds to the maximum I've waited 10 minutes. I will come back when it's finished. The installation has just been completed. Select the Go Back button from the Items menu and select Reboot System Now. This will reboot your phone, and if everything has gone right, you should see after the LG logo, the CyanogenMod logo loading. This means that you have successfully installed Android 4.1.2 or whatever the Android version or ROM you're using at the time is. You will get a black screen for a few seconds, and then you will get the loading logo. I will come to you once it is done. After a while, you should see this optimization screen. Wait till it gets to the list of the top optimizations. It will probably be longer for you since this isn't a clean install. And as you can see, your installation has been completed successfully. It might not look much different on my phone from what it previously was, since this wasn't a clean install, and there's minor lags once it first boots up. Usually, if this is a clean install for you, you will have to go through a process of setting it up as a new phone. I have no current problems with it, and as a result, I can show you exactly that my phone works. You can go into the settings and about this phone, and you can see right here that you are running Android 4.1.2 CyanogenMod 10. If you have any issues, go to the LG Optimus L7 section on the XDA forums. Many people are very happy to help you, and sometimes they have issues that have already been solved. I hope that this video helped you install this onto your phone and unleash the full power of, about as powerful as this phone gets, of the LG Optimus L7. Thanks for watching.